you done your homework? Did you find any difficulty in doing the sums, statement sums of division? Because I think the first statement was little difficult for you to make, right? Has anyone made? अगर किसी ने first sum किया है बच्चे, so let me know. आप chat box में लिखो, फिर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि how did you make the statement of first sum? Dinesh, have you done right? Shall I unmute you? Okay. Okay, unmute yourself, Dinesh, or tell me what is the statement you have made of first sum, that Ritu wala sum.
Ma'am, Ritu has 100 stamps.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ritu has 100 stamps.
Okay.
Ma'am, second statement is Ritu pasted five stamps on each page.
Okay. आगे वो डिवाइड वाली लाइन में क्या लिखा आपने? जब डिवाइड करना है हमने उससे क्या लिखा है? So how we get to know that we have to divide here? Because this statement is little tricky. So मैंने पहले ही सोचा था that I will discuss this statement in the class, right? So firstly, let's take this query. Okay. So the sum here I am taking is the sum from the worksheet which I have shared yesterday. Yes, ma'am, I have made you host.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
But ma'am, आपको फिर बीच में जब मैं नेम लूंगी तो आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, ma'am, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. So firstly, let's take the statement from the worksheet. And statement I am reading again. Here the statement is Ritu has 100 stamps. Wait. Okay, here the statement is Ritu has 100 stamps. She wants to paste 5 stamps on each page. Right? Ritu है, उसके पास 100 stamps हैं और वो चाहती है कि वो हर पेज पे सिंगल पेज पे 5 स्टैम्प्स को पेस्ट करे. स्टैम्प्स यू नो ना, लास्ट टाइम भी हमने डिस्कस किया था, जैसे पोस्ट ऑफिस में स्टैम्प्स मिलती है या कोई एनिमेटेड स्टैम्प्स भी हो सकती है, प्ले करने के लिए भी आजकल स्टैम्प्स आती हैं. ठीक है, तो she wants to paste 5 stamps on each page. How many pages are needed to paste all the stamps? बस मुझे यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे all word लिखा है, so don't get confused between this word, right? All, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया था जब आपने ज्यादा की information find out करनी है, you have to multiply. But here we are finding the information of pages. They have said how many pages. This is the question you have to solve. All word पे आपने यहाँ पे ध्यान नहीं देना. Here all word is not the highlight of this question. यहाँ पे clearly है that how many pages. It means we need to find out कि कितने pages लगेंगे उसके लिए कि उसकी पूरी 100 stamps complete हो जाए. Right? So have you clear its meaning? So इसकी statement कैसे बननी है? Firstly we will write. Firstly we will write number of stamps. हम पहले ये लिखेंगे हमारे पास टोटल स्टैम्प्स कितनी है, दैट रितु के पास टोटल स्टैम्प्स कितनी है. ठीक है, नव्या, डोंट राइट एनीथिंग इन द चैट बॉक्स, इट इज नॉट नीडेड. So number of stamps, firstly we have 100 stamps, right? Then the number of stamps she pasted on one page. एक पेज पे उसने कितनी स्टैम्प्स पेस्ट की? number of stamps on one page. वो तो हमें पता है कितनी? 5. Now we have to divide 100 by 5 to get to know that how many pages. We have to find out the number of pages, right? Yes, you can also write Ritu has stamp. Number of stamps की जगह you can also write Ritu has stamp. Both are same. आप किसी भी वे में स्टेटमेंट बना सकते हो, but its meaning should be clear, right? So number of stamps on one page is equals to 5, and we want to know number of pages. Number of pages. That कितने pages लगेंगे 100 stamps को paste करने में. So here there will be 3 statements. कल मैंने ये सम आपको नहीं करवाया था, ठीक है? मुझे लगा कि 100 से 5 को easily divide कर लोगे, but later on I get to know that statement is little tricky, right? So that's why I am discussing the sum from the worksheet, and the rest part is same. You have to divide 100 by 5, and so now tell me its answer. Those who have done this sum, tell me its answer. Write in the chat box. Josna, Dhanwar, Samreet. 2 p.m. Harsirat. Okay, everyone is writing wrong answer. Everyone is writing 20. Bhargavi is right. 20 pages. At least 10 to 15 students have written just 20. In statement sums, only writing the number is not the answer. 20 pages is the complete answer. अगर आप अकेले ऐसे 20 लिखोगे, then obviously your marks will be deducted, right? So divide this, आप खुद करोगे because it was your homework. So its answer is 20 pages, right? 20 pages. So those who have done this sum, very good. अगर थोड़ी सी स्टेटमेंट में बच्चे आपकी चेंज है तो आप भी चेंज कर लो इसे, because this will make in this way. This is the right way of writing this statement. Firstly, we will write you have to write the number of stamps or the number of stamps Ritu has, then the number of stamps on one page, and then number of pages, because we want to know the number of pages. Right? So I hope your doubts are clear. So now we will move for the next sum. If you need some time, I can wait. And everyone on your videos. IDB Sujit Kaur, bache, what are you saying? What question? What are you writing? Okay, so now we will move for the next sum. Okay, next sum we are doing is sum number 3. Please give me statement. These are some different kind of sums, right? Third is how many weeks are there in 847 days? Simple. In just one line, the whole statement sum is complete. But इसमें simple way में statement बनेगी. यहाँ पे कोई boy given नहीं है, कोई girl given नहीं है, right? So how many weeks are there in 847 days? Firstly, tell me. 1 week is equals to how many days? It's very simple. 1 week is equals to ID with Abhya Gupta. Obviously, you will do this sum in notebook. How you will solve it in your maths book? Yes, Shivang, but I have read your message. Why you are writing again and again? Ma'am, please unmute Shivang.
Okay, ma'am, wait.
Yes, 7 days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. अब इस question में बात किसकी हो रही है? That how many weeks are there in 847 days? Week की बात भी हुई है, days की बात भी हुई है. लेकिन week तो हमने find out करने हैं ना. Days are given. So we will write like this.
Ma'am.
Is equals to 1 week. Generally,
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम मैंने ये ऐसे लिखा है.
क्या पिछला सम रितु वाला
यस मैम।
तो अच्छी बात है। तो इसमें डाउट क्या था? आप एक ही चीज बार बार लिख रहे थे, मैम आई हैव डाउट, आई हैव डाउट। एटलीस्ट 20 टाइम्स यू हैव रिटन। अगर आपने किया दैट्स वेरी गुड।
मैम कि ये मेरा ठीक है।
आपने बोला ना मैंने ऐसे ही किया है, तो ठीक है। तभी तो मैंने बोला जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो कर लें, और जिन्होंने किया है वो अपना थोड़ा मैच कर लें। सिंपल। And don't write the same message again and again, Shivang. And for everyone this thing. एक बारी में मैं रीड कर लेती हूँ. Okay. So generally we write 1 week is equals to 7 days. But here I am writing 7 days is equals to 1 week. Why? Because 847 days are given. राइट बट दूसरी चीज नहीं दी हुई थी जिसके साथ हमें डिवाइड करना था, और वो दूसरी चीज क्या है? 7 डेज। ये हमने खुद सोचा कि 1 वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं, तो हम लिखेंगे नंबर ऑफ वीक्स इन 847 डेज। सो नाउ टेल मी इसको हम किसके साथ डिवाइड करेंगे? Quickly write in the chat box. Ma'am, when we divide and there will be quotient answer. Yes, obviously, Josna. When we divide, quotient is the answer, not remainder. जो भी quotient आएगा हमारे पास, that will be our answer. So here, yes, Mabel 7. कंप्लीट लिखो, हम किसको किसके साथ डिवाइड करने वाले हैं? क्विकली राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स इन अ कंप्लीट वे. Abhya, please wait. Now I am not going to unmute anyone. Firstly, let me complete this sum. Only 7 लिख रहे हो. I will not consider this. I have asked in complete way. Yes, Bhargavi. 847 divided by 5. Yes, Sameer Sathya. 847 divided by 7. Sorry, पहले 5 बोल दिया. 7. So this is the way that we can write the statement. Simple. उन्होंने just हमसे पूछा है कि 847 days में कितने weeks होते हैं, ये पूछा है. बट हमें कुछ given नहीं है कि हम 847 को किसके साथ डिवाइड करें. Clear? But we know कि 1 week is equals to 7 days. And 7 days are given, so that's why days को हमने आगे लिखा. ठीक है? 7 days is equals to 1 week. Number of weeks in 847 days is equals to 847 divided by 7. So now we divide this. You will divide it and tell me its quotient part. Start dividing. Anurpreet, your video is off. ID with Anurag. Ma'am, please unmute. Anurag, be ready. Ma'am is going to unmute. Okay, Satvik Gunnar has written answer.
Yes, Anurag, unmute yourself.
Anurag, unmute yourself. Ma'am has given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in this division, Anurag, dividend is?
Dividend 847.
847. ऐसे बोलोगे आप? 847. And divisor is?
7.
7. So what is the checking formula? ये इसमें checking नहीं आएगी. I am just asking.
Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder.
Yes, good. Now mute yourself. So here 121 weeks. Yes, very good. So this is the complete answer. So firstly 7 1 is 7. We will write here 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. And we will bring down this 4. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Right? So 14 minus 14 is 0. And now we will bring down this 7. And in the last 7 1 is 7. 0. So the quotient part will be the answer. But हमने find out क्या किया है? We have find out the number of weeks. So 121 121 is weeks. So there are 121 weeks. Clear? So completed, and also mark your attendance. Ma'am has sent you the link. Mark your attendance. Just remember, the question part is the answer always. Not week, Devansh, it's weeks. 121 weeks is the right answer and complete answer. Done. ID with Kiran Noor. No, मैंने just ये बोलना था that your video is off. Now it's on. Okay, can we move for the next sum? Anyone is there? If still anyone is doing, Ekwe is showing thumbs up. Okay, most students have done, and have you filled the attendance form, right? Japanjot, okay, do fast Japanjot. Japanjot, सिर्फ neck की movement करके बताओ. अब तो नहीं क्लास के बीच में भागते हो? No, still रहना है, ठीक है? Too fast. So next sum we are doing is sum number 8. Sum number 8. Statement, next statement sum. Anhadpreet Kaur, लेटे हुए हो? Yes, next sum is Lata bought 270 roses to make garlands. Now tell me, what is garland? Write in the chat box, what is the meaning of garland? Priyanka, sum is on the board. अभी मैंने erase नहीं किया. By the time you can write. बहुत टाइम ले रहे हो बच्चे. आप बच्चों ने मुझे आंसर बताया, वो भी करके. So what is garland? No one has written. Harsh, stop dancing. Flower mala, garden type. No, Josna. Yes, flower mala. हार जिसे बोलते हैं ना, garland. हार देखे है ना, जिसे हम मूर्तियों पे चढ़ाते हैं. हार या किसी भी वे का कोई हार जो गले में पहना जाता है, ठीक है? So that is known as garland. So Lata bought 270 roses to make garlands. कि लता ने इतने roses buy किए garland बनाने के लिए. She made 9 garlands. If she made 9 garlands, अगर वो 9 garlands जिसने बनाए, how many roses are there in one garland? So again 9 garland की information दी हुई है कि 9 garlands में इतने roses हैं. But we want to know that how many roses are there in one garland. Okay, so information of 9 garland is given, and we want to know the information of one garland. So what is, we'll divide. Sum number 8. So we can write number of roses in 9 garlands. So how many roses are there in 9 garlands? garlands, 270, right? So 270 roses are there in 9 garlands. So here we can make commas, number of roses in 1 garland. So 1 garland is 270 divided by 9. Simple. 270 divided by 9 and its division part is very simple. 270, here is 9 and 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 27 is 0. Now tell me, can we end this division part here? यहाँ पे end करते हैं ऐसे? Yes or no? Just write yes or no. ऐसे 0 को नीचे ले आते हैं. So can we end here? No. So what will you do now? अगर हमने किसी चीज को नीचे लाया है, so it's compulsory to treat that digit equally. Now this time we have put down 0, but 0 है यहाँ पे, so 9 zeros are 0, so we will write here 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. Now answer is 30. 30 is what? 30 roses or 30 garlands? Write in the chat box. 30 roses or 30 garlands? Yes. Bhargavi, okay. Next, Dhankar. Dosna, Astik, yes. 30 roses we have find out. Anhar. 30 roses. Clear? Because we have find out number of roses. So 30 roses. So have you done, everyone? So only 2 statements are left. Rest of the 2 statement sum I have given you for today's worksheet, and in today's worksheet there are simple sums. कोई भी ऐसी tricky statement नहीं होगी. You can easily done by yourself. Now I'll give you some extra sums other than these statement sums. Right? So let's consider it be a surprise test. Last time I have also taken. So firstly completed. Now 2 sums I'll give you. Anantika, Avya, Kanupriya. Shall I put you in the waiting room if you are not on keeping your video on? Done, बच्चे? Any doubt? ID with Riya Green. क्या कर रहे हो? So ID with Sameer. Okay, बच्चे, do fast. I'm waiting. We have 12 minutes left. So in 12 minutes में हो सकता है अच्छे से 2 sums I'll give you. And that will be your surprise test. जैसे last time हमने किया था ना, आपने अपने आप को खुद marks दिए थे, मैंने आपको बोला था. So in the same way. Two sums you have फास्ट. जब मैं बोलूंगी then your time will be started. पहले आप लिखो. First is first, second, विदाउट चेकिंग. क्योंकि अगर चेकिंग करोगे आप उसके लिए आपको बहुत टाइम लगेगा. विदाउट चेकिंग. नाउ योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. इट्स 9:15 एंड 9:25 पे आपकी मीटिंग एंड हो जानी है. तो in 8 minutes you have to complete this sum without checking. Hardly it will take 5 to 6 minutes अगर आप अच्छे से करोगे, because calculation is very easy. Now I am watching you all, and no one's video should be off. Yakshit, Anurag, start doing Yakshit. So जो भी कर ले, just write done ma'am in the chat box, or you can privately write answer to me. There is a private option. ID with Diya B. Raj Kaval, don't talk to anyone, do your sums. Side by side, I am going to write your names whose videos are on. Gunveen, Tarisha, Jaspreet, Suhani, Prableen, Jivesh. हृदय, आरव, आप सबको पता है जिन जिनकी ऑफ है. So you are not present for me today, right? No need to write answer in the chat box. Josna, Arav, Josna ने तो privately लिखा है, that's fine. Priyanka, I have told you, Priyanka is Devansh, yes. No need to write your answer. आपका एक छोटे से असाइनमेंट के वे में है ये. आपने बाकियों को आंसर थोड़ी बताने हैं यहाँ पे. Don't write. Yes, just write done, ma'am. Like Astik has written. Astik, both the sums you have done. Ma'am, please unmute Astik. Yakshi, show me your notebook in front of the camera. Yakshit, you have written done. Now show me. This is one division. Where is the other?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैंने तो पहले वाले के लिए डन लिखा था.
ऐसे थोड़ी कंप्लीट पूछा है मैंने. जैसे जसराज ने लिखा डन 1 and 2. ऐसे नहीं. Now mute Yakshit. Okay, next. Kavish, have you done? ID with Kavish, बच्चे, are you able to hear me? Okay. You are showing.
यस मैम. मैम थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं आपसे डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ था.
तो आपकी वीडियो ऑन क्यों नहीं है? Okay, now first one का आंसर है. I am going to write the answer. तो honestly जिन का आंसर अभी टाइम है हमारे पास. Still you can do. जब 20 हो जाएंगे, then I'll write the answers on the board or I will solve. और ऑनेस्टली आपने अपने आप को मार्क्स देने हैं जैसे लास्ट टाइम दिए थे। अगर आपका एक भी डिजिट रॉन्ग हुआ तो योर होल सम विल बी रॉन्ग, राइट। और अपने आप को फिर आप 0 मार्क दोगे ऑनेस्टली। अगर आपका एक भी डिजिट रॉन्ग हुआ, 5 की जगह 6 लिख दिया, 0 की जगह अगर 1 लिख दिया, कुछ ऐसे, ठीक है। तो ऐसे नहीं कि छोटी सी तो मिस्टेक है आप अपने मार्क्स अपने आप को दे दोगे। दोनों एक फ्री मार्क्स की है, फ्री। So what's the answer for? Quotient is 47, remainder is 0. First one का, ठीक है। So next is, so जिनका ये exactly ऐसे ही है, आप अपने आप को 3 मार्क्स दे सकते हो, लेकिन किसी का छोटा सा डिजिट भी रॉन्ग है बच्चे, अपने आप को 0 मार्क दोगे आप। लेकिन मैंने बहुत इजी सम डाले थे, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल नॉट टेक इजी सम्स। Yes, done, good. तो जिनके दोनों सम्स कंप्लीट है, मींस दोनों सम्स आपने कर लिए हैं, राइट। हरसीरत ने लिखा 10 आउट ऑफ 10। 10 का तो बच्चे टेस्ट भी नहीं था, 6 का है। अगर आपका एक भी डिजिट रॉन्ग है, सो मार्क योरसेल्फ 0 फ्रॉम उस सम के लिए, फॉर दैट सम। Kavish, okay, fine. Because I have taken sums this time very simple. क्योंकि टाइम कम था हमारे पास, लेकिन टाइम अभी भी है हमारे पास, तो हम चेकिंग भी कर सकते हैं। तो क्विकली डू चेकिंग। आईडी विद एकवीर सिंह, अनम्यूट। वेट बच्चे, वेट, मैम विल गिव यू परमिशन। एकवीर सिंह।
मैम प्लीज बताना किसका नेम?
एकवीर।
एकवीर?
एकवीर मैम, एकवीर, ई के।
Yes, Ekveer. Unmute
Yes,
yourself.
Yes, बच्चे, have you done both the sums? Show me your notebook.
Yes.
Show me. Okay, that's nice. So what is the checking formula, Ekveer?
Ma'am, division is equal to quotient multiplied by dividend plus remainder.
Wrong. You have said division is equals to quotient multiplied dividend. Wrong है बच्चे, दोबारा बोलो। Dividend is equals to, dividend लेते हैं हम सबसे आगे, दोबारा।
Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by dividend.
Divisor, dividend तो आगे लिख दिया। मैं एक बारी बोल रही हूँ, पहले लर्न करो और मुझे दोबारा सुनाओ। Dividend is equals to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Dividend is equals to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Now speak.
Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder.
Yes, तो पहले क्यों नहीं बोला आपने? लर्न क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक? इतनी बार हमने कर लिया एकवीर। हर चीज को याद रखा करो, ठीक है। अब नाउ डू इट्स चेकिंग पार्ट। Okay, so all must have done these two sums. So this was all for today's class. We'll meet in the next meeting, right?